This is TOI-700d, one of the most exciting exoplanets ever discovered, offering the tantalizing possibility of being Earth-like. Located about 100 light-years away in the constellation Dorado, TOI-700d orbits within the habitable zone of its star, where conditions could allow liquid water to exist. This rocky planet, slightly larger than Earth, orbits a small, cool red dwarf star called TOI-700. The star's gentle energy output means that TOI-700d receives just enough heat to potentially support an environment similar to ours. Its year is much shorter than Earth's, just 37 days, and the planet is likely tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star, while the other is in permanent darkness. On the plus side, temperatures could be just right for water to form oceans, while the perpetual twilight at the edges could create a unique habitable zone. If life exists here, it could adapt to the planet's dim red light. Plants might develop dark pigments to absorb as much energy as possible, and creatures might evolve large eyes to see in the dim light. This is Trappist-1e, one of the most Earth-like exoplanets ever discovered, located about 39 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius. It would take about 300,000 years to reach Trappist-1e with current technology. With a size and mass strikingly similar to Earth, Trappist-1e lies in the habitable zone of its ultra-cool red dwarf star, where conditions could support liquid water. What makes Trappist-1e so amazing is its energy-efficient environment. The red dwarf it orbits emits a dim, reddish light that bathes the planet in a constant twilight glow. Trappist-1e completes an orbit in just 6 Earth days, creating rapid years and potentially dynamic seasonal shifts. But imagine the possibilities for life there. Plants could photosynthesize the star's red light, glowing faintly under its dim rays. Creatures could have evolved large, sensitive eyes to navigate the perpetual twilight. With stronger gravity, life forms could be more stocky or muscular than those on Earth. This is Trappist-1f, another habitable planet in the Trappist system. Located 39 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius, this planet orbits a cool red dwarf star. This world is part of a system of 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which, including Trappist-1f, are in the habitable zone. This exoplanet orbits its star every 9 days, basking in the dim, reddish light of its parent star, which emits only about 0.05% of the energy of our Sun. The low radiation creates a cool, stable environment where temperatures could allow water to flow. Because the planet is probably tidally locked, one side is constantly facing the star, while the other side is in perpetual darkness. This creates a dramatic dichotomy, a searing day side and a freezing night side. Imagine life here. Plants could evolve to photosynthesize red light and glow subtly under the star's dim rays, while creatures could evolve large eyes to navigate the perpetual twilight. The planet's low gravity might also allow for towering plant structures or creatures with elongated limbs. Next crazy interesting planet in our list is HD 85512b. This potentially habitable planet is located approximately 36 light-years away. This fascinating world was discovered in 2011. It orbits a K-type main sequence star, which is slightly cooler and dimmer than our Sun. HD 85512b is a super-Earth, about 3.6 times the mass of our planet. HD 85512b is in the right place to have liquid water on its surface. It orbits its star at a distance that provides a stable climate and an atmosphere that can support water and life. Imagine a world with oceans and different ecosystems. The planet's mass might make life more robust and resilient, adapted to the stronger gravity. Imagine alien trees with deep roots and creatures with muscular builds. HD 85512b's star gives off a soft orange glow, creating a unique and beautiful landscape bathed in warm hues. Life on this planet could have evolved to thrive under these conditions, perhaps developing ways to use the orange light. This is Kepler-1229b, a crazy exoplanet that might have life. Located about 870 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus, Kepler-1229b orbits in the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions could allow liquid water to exist. Kepler-1229b is a super-Earth, meaning it's bigger than the Earth but smaller than gas giants like Neptune. With a radius of about 1.4 times Earth's, it's probably a rocky planet, making it a good candidate for having a surface that could potentially support life. Its host star is a red dwarf, smaller and cooler than our Sun, which means that Kepler-1229b receives less intense radiation. If Kepler-1229b has water and an Earth-like atmosphere, it could support microbial life or even more complex organisms. If its atmosphere is different, alien life may have evolved to thrive in unique conditions, adapting to different air compositions or lower light levels from its dim star.